Hello everyone, welcome to another Payday 3 tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off power to gate in Payday 3. So basically, as you can see right here, and if we go here, basically right here you can see an image and you can quickly turn off the power to the gate by going to the room on the right side of the gate during the no rest for the wicked heist. So basically make sure to find this room right here, and from there all you can do is players can crouch and hide behind a counter to start lockpicking to the door, right? Or lockpicking the door, sorry. A few employees and security guards will be lingering around, so make sure to watch your back or have a teammate look out for you while you're doing this. Preferably it would be best if your teammate will look out for you. That way, they can, basically go and either kill someone or, disarm them. So that's basically it, right? As you can see, this is how it looks like. Once you open the door, you must continue to crouch and locate the switch, which will be on the left side of the entryway. You'll need to quickly deactivate its power as a couple of employees will be stationed nearby. And as you can see, once you go there, you will be able to disable the security system, right? And stuff like that. So that's basically how you can turn off power to gate in Payday 3. Very simple. Again, thank you for Twinfinite for this practical screenshots of the game. So yeah, if you want to see more tutorials on this game, Payday 3, you can check out our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.